Scott Major is the disaster expert we spoke to before the storm hit, and now I'm holding my phone up to the microphone so he can talk to us today, because now is when we start digging out. Although I'm watching footage on TV, Scott, of of Florida City, and they're letting car after car go into the upper Keys, where I think the disaster they're going to find and the damage is going to be really sobering for a lot of people.
It will be devastating. Thanks for having me on. Happy to help out in any way you can. It is a storm of monstrous proportion with billions of dollars of damage and not enough FEMA money, and insurance companies are going to have problems making payments, and it's going to be a battle, a race to making the phone calls and getting the documents that are necessary to support your case.
Hey, will homeowners insurance cover tree removal and stuff like that?
Depending on your policy, the answer is, as a general explanation, homeowners will cover trees that cause damage. The general removal, you'll have to look to your policy on. A lot of that, if a tree falls over, it won't necessarily cover it, but it depends on the type of insurance policy and the coverage that you have. Yeah,
because I got a buddy, the tree guy quoted him 3 Gs, and he checked his policy. The policy covers $500. Well, $500, that's like trimming up palm trees.
You're exactly right. And there's a lot of problem with the way in which insurance was sold in Florida, because a lot of people don't understand what they're getting when you have an insurance policy and what's covered and what's not. People just anticipate that the things that they're buying are going to cover them sufficiently, and don't know to ask the difficult questions about what is all the things that could happen to my property and how much is each covered.
Oh, God. So a lot of people are saying, what do we do first? And Scott Major, you tell me. I mean, I guess we gotta wait. You gotta wait till the power comes on, and then once the power comes on, you hope you got cable or internet, and then maybe you have cell phone service. Who do you call?
The first thing you do is you get a copy of every insurance policy you have, whether that is a flood insurance policy or a windstorm policy, or if you are a business person, you have a business policy, and you want to call the insurance company directly. Not necessarily your agent who sold you, but the insurance company directly. If you don't have a phone or you can't get to a particular phone, have your friend call up or get to somebody who does have a phone, because it's a first in, first out kind of thing. There's going to be millions of claims being made. So it's very important. The first thing you do is to call up and to make a claim. The second thing you do is to try to find a location where you can actually write an email or write something and ask them or confirm what you've asked on the phone. When are you coming out to inspect my property?
So, Scott, hold on.
Yes, sir.
So you don't call like the roofing company first to come out? You've got to call the insurance company first?
That's correct. First thing you do is call the insurance company, so you put them on notice. And if you have a roofer or you have a tree guy coming out, or you have anybody, you say, hello, insurance company, I want to let you know I've got a tree on my house right now. I've got to move it right now. Here's the video. Here's the pictures I've taken to show you. When can you get somebody? Can somebody come out today? If they can't come out today, why can't they come out today?
I need
to remove this tree.
What about Joe Blow gets out to survey the front of his house, and he sees half a dozen roof tiles down, knowing full well there's some damage. But what does an inspector from the insurance company know about roofing?
Well, it's interesting. 2 things I'll tell you. The first thing is important to take pictures and video of everything, and I mean ad nauseum. But as it relates to specific tiles, adjusters are trained, insurance adjusters are trained in some of the basics, and a lot of them will actually bring in and certify agents from out of state and in state who have some basic training. Some are more experienced than others in roofing and typical property damage related items. That's why it's really important, if you do have your own roofer or your own contractor, your own expert, if you know somebody, or I can give you names of people, you want to pick up a phone, get them out there, let them inspect the property and say, hey, listen, there are 27 tiles that are broken here. I need to replace them. Here's the estimate. I can do it now or in 2 days. You call the insurance company. You tell them you need to get out here today, or I'm going to go ahead and fix this property because I have a duty to mitigate my damages. When are you coming out? Love and kisses, you. If they don't come out the next day, you do the same thing. Dear insurance company, you told me you're going to come out. Where are you? Love and kisses, you. If they make any representations on the phone, if they say to you, or if they come out and say, hey, we're going to give you $20,000, you immediately write them, dear insurance company, thank you for promising you're going to pay me $20,000 today. Love and kisses, you. When am I getting the money? When are you coming out? If not, you pick up a phone, you call me or somebody who knows what they're doing. We call up the insurance company and we say, listen, you're in bad faith. You're going to have to pay triple the damages if you don't hurry up and fix this property right this minute.
Yeah,
you have to be aggressive and thorough.
We've battled with insurance companies before on bad faith. I get it, Scott. Scott Major is a disaster expert and a lawyer. What is the name of your company that maybe some people out there could use your help?
Sure. Let me give you some numbers. There's an 800 number, which is 844-800-LAWS, LAWS. There's also a local number, which is 954-763-2800. And let me give you a couple of links that have like helpful videos and things. I'm sure I sent to your producer some that he could post, but I'll give you, there's something called stormhelpteam.org, which has a bunch of how-to videos and articles and other information, or our law firm website is majorpruis.com, MAGERPARUAS.com, majorpruis.com.
Good stuff, Scott. Always, you make me nervous when I talk to you because you got so much information. I feel like, oh, God, I haven't done any of these things. But
he's right about all of it, though.
He's sharp
Take
dude.
video, and get pictures. So everybody out there, please, no matter what you do, the first thing you do is to do that. And Paul will do anything for you. You call me anytime of the day or night. I'll stay on the show as much or as little as you want and have as many helping guides that anything that your listeners need, man. You're the best.
All right. Take care, Scott. Good guy. Man, smart dude, huh? Seems like he's got the information that I feel like
people should be listening to him.
Yeah.
I mean, especially like the constant harassment towards the insurance company.
Let's post that stuff so our people can get it